Hi guys, this is the audio for Adaptations in the Rainforest. So I'm going to read it, and you guys follow along if you want to. If you've chosen to use the audio, that's totally up to you. So here we go. Adaptations in the Rainforest. You should have your paper with you. Tropical rainforests have ideal climates for plant growth. Tropical rainforests are hot, humid, and wet. They have abundant rainfall and are warm year-round. Temperatures range from about 85 degrees Fahrenheit during the day to 70 at night. Tropical rainforests get at least 80 inches of rainfall each year. These two factors also create challenges for the plants that live there. As a result, plants in tropical rainforests have adapted to these conditions by making adjustments in how they grow. Flip it over. The perfect conditions for plant life, warm temperatures and plenty of water, cause plants to grow quickly. One consequence of rapid plant growth is the depletion of nutrients in the soil. It also creates a thick layer of leaves in the upper part of the forest, the canopy, that blocks sunlight from reaching the forest floor. Most plants get their nutrients, water, and oxygen from the soil. However, in the rainforest, where the soil is not nutrient-rich, many plants don't rely on it as their source of food. Some plants, called epiphytes or air plants, have learned to get water and nutrients from the air. Some examples of epiphytes in rainforest are mosses, lichens, and orchids. Although they often live on other plants, they don't take any nutrients from them. They get what they need straight from the air with special root systems. Other plants that grow on plants actually do take nutrients from that plant. They are called parasitic plants, and the plant they grow on is called a host plant. Instead of getting food and water from the soil, parasitic plants have developed roots that cling to a host plant, pierce through its leaves, stem, or trunk, and suck the nutrients out of the host. That sounds lovely. An example of a parasitic plant you might know is mistletoe. Parasitic plants can kill their host plant if they grow too rapidly. However, they tend to not kill their host plant because without a host, the parasitic plant will also die. The first question, number 11. And if I go too fast, just pause me, answer the question, and unpause me. Number 11, what can you infer about rainforests? Rainforests have a constantly warm climate. B, rainforests don't have many animals that live in them. C, rainforests are primarily located on one continent. And D, plants grow slowly due to the hot temperatures in rainforests. Number 12, what is one main idea of the text? Plants need nutrients to stay alive. Plants have overcome challenges by developing adaptations. Rainforests have a range of temperatures, or rainforests are decreasing in size. Number 13. Which line best describes why plants can survive in the rainforest? Or which detail? As a result, plants in tropical rainforests have adapted to these conditions by making adjustments in how they grow. The perfect conditions for plant life, warm temperatures, and plenty of water cause plants to grow quickly. One consequence of rapid plant growth is the depletion of nutrients in the soil. Most plants get their nutrients, water, and oxygen from the soil. Number 14, how do epiphytes compare to parasitic plants? Epiphytes and parasitic plants get their nutrients from other plants. Epiphytes get their nutrients from the air, while parasitic plants get their nutrients from other plants. Epiphytes get their nutrients from other plants, while parasitic plants get their nutrients from the air. Epiphytes and parasitic plants get their nutrients from the air. Number 15, how would you summarize the text or recap it? Rainforests are endangered due to having too many plants. Plants grow quickly in rainforests due to the warm temperatures and heavy rainfall, which cause plants to adapt. Plants have to get nutrients from other plants to survive. The canopy in a rainforest protects the plants below. Number 16, how do plants react to the conditions of the rainforest? Because of the heavy rainfall in a rainforest, plants grow quickly. Because of the warm temperatures in a rainforest, plants grow quickly. Because of the perfect weather conditions in a rainforest, plants grow quickly. Or D, all of the above. How do plants react to the conditions of the rainforest? Number 17. Now remember, I told you that there can be more than one main idea in a text. So this question is, what is a second main idea of the text? One consequence of rapid plant growth is the depletion of nutrients in the soil. A parasitic plant you might know is mistletoe. Temperatures range from about 85 degrees Fahrenheit during the day to 70 at night. Some examples of epiphytes in rainforest are mosses, lichens, and orchids. Number 18, which paragraph or graphs best describes plant adaptations? Paragraph 1, B, paragraph 2, C, paragraph 3, or D, paragraph 2 and 3. Number 19, in which ways, is mosses and orchids similar? A, both plants are epiphytes. B, both plants get their nutrients from the air. C, both plants are parasitic plants. Or D, A and B. Make sure you go back in the story for some of these questions. Number 20, what does the passage not explain? A, the temperature of rainforests. B, the difference between epiphytes and parasitic plants. C, more than one adaptation for plants in the rainforest. Or D, the perfect condition for plant life. When you're done, turn it into the blue basket. Make sure your name's on it. And you today, I believe you are taking your Southeast States test. So make sure you get that from me because it's at the table. Bye.